42. Solve the quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 15x equal 0. To solve this quadratic equation, the first thing we have to take is the greatest common factor. So 3x squared is basically 3 times x times x. 15x is basically 3 times 5 times x. So from here, we can take x as a greatest common factor with 3 as well. So from here, I can write 3x as a greatest common factor, and whatever left, I have to put it between parentheses. Now from 3x squared, we have x left, so I'll have to write x. From 15x, we have only 5, so plus 5. This equals to 0. Now, this part, which is a 3x, should equal to 0, and this part again should equal to 0. So how we can do it? 3x equal to 0, or x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we have to simply solve for x. So we have to divide both sides by 3. So these will cancel out. So in this case, we have x equal 0. For this expression or equation, x plus 5 equal to 0. We have to minus 5 from both sides. So this will cancel out. So x equal minus 5.